There are too many videos doing the rounds these days about new age filters versus old age filters. हर सनस्क्रीन का रील एवोबेंजोन ऑक्टोक्रैलिन ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में ही बात कर रहा है एंड देयर इज जस्ट सो मच कंफ्यूजन बिकॉज रोज सोशल मीडिया पे सनस्क्रीन के बारे में कुछ नया चीज़ आ जाता है एंड what to do about it. So let me make this simpler. Now you'll notice most of the times these discussions are made by paid campaigns and most of these brands are sort of selling it that now free of avobenzone, now only with new age filter. तो उस लॉजिक से अब तक ओल्ड एज फिल्टर्स क्यों बेच रहे थे आप, और अब आपने रिफॉर्मुलेट कर दिया और आपको आपका प्रोडक्ट पुश करना है तो न्यू एज फिल्टर्स बेटर हो गए. आर यू अग्रीइंग टू द फैक्ट दैट यू वर नॉट सेलिंग द राइट सनस्क्रीन? द प्रॉब्लम इज द काइंड ऑफ फियर मॉन्गरिंग दैट दे आर डूइंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि ओके अब तक आप ये सनस्क्रीन यूज कर रहे थे, अब ये छोड़ दो, ओल्ड एज को छोड़ दो, अब ये नया वाला बाय करो. सो दे जस्ट वांट यू टू कीप ऑन परचेसिंग न्यू एंड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स without there actually being a requirement of it. Are new age filters better? Of course, they are newly formulated, so of course they are better. But does that make the old age filters absolutely rubbish and you should not touch them at all and you should be scared of it कि बाबा इससे तो वाट लगने वाली है, हार्मोन डिस्ट्रप्शन हो जाएगा? No, nothing like that at all. It's just a development in science that we have been able to find other newer filters which are more stable, which is well and good. That's great. But you don't need to be scared of the old age filters. All over the world multiple times ये बोला है कि the tests that were done in terms of old age filters and उससे hormone disruption होता है या नहीं is not logically practically valid because the amount that they used is not the amount that we apply on our body. Also, everybody keeps on forgetting that sunscreen in places like Europe and Australia has completely different standards than normal skincare. So even the old age filters that were available earlier were actually properly studied and you don't need to fear them at all.